Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on or off iPhone vibration for test notification. So if you want to turn off or you really want to turn off the vibration mode for the test, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So here's a quick guide on how you can turn off the vibration for your test notification. So for you to be able to do that, we have to go to the settings. That's the best way to fix things on iPhone. Then scroll down to the section called sound and haptics. Tap on the sound and haptics option, and also before we can configure the notification pattern for the test, we have to make sure that we click on the test notification. So right here, this is the test right here, which is test tune. Just tap on the test tune. Then from here you can simply turn on or turn off the vibration for the test notification. So for you to be able to turn it off, you have to tap on the vibration button at the top. Then from here you can tap on this none button for the vibrations. But if you want to turn it on, if you want to toggle it on or you want to toggle it off, if you want to, now this is off right now because it is set to be none. So if you want to toggle it on, just make sure you set it to be synchronized, or probably you pick from any of these options, starting from accent, alert, heartbeat, quake, rapid, SOS. Then you can just pick from the list of the standard vibration tone that we have for each of them, and that is how you can do that. That is how you can turn on the vibration. But if you want to turn it off, just tap on this none. Then once this check mark, this blue mark, once it is there, then that means notification is vibration for notification is turned off, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.